The California Department of Water Resources, DWR, has developed a list of recommended equipment per page 6 of the Levee Threat Monitoring Guidelines booklet. The listed equipment should be used to help mark problem areas during patrols. DWR recommends having ready-to-go Lath Kits that can be picked up and carried to the field at a moment's notice. Each Lath Kit should include Visqueen, a clear plastic sheeting used to cover the slopes and tops of levees, often to protect it from wave wash, which can cause erosion. Tie-down buttons, which are used to secure the Visqueen onto the levee slope. We'll be detailing this in videos later on in this course. 25 laths, which are 33-inch long, narrow wooden stakes, are used to mark levee threats. Threats like cracking or seepage, which you may see during a patrol. We'll be detailing this later in this course. 25 stakes, which are similar to laths, but are only 17 inches long. These stakes are often driven into the ground just above the levee in order to secure the Visqueen onto the side of the levee that you wish to protect. 10 hubs should be included in the Lath Kit. A hub is an 8-inch long wooden stake. Hubs are sometimes placed next to the lath with a few inches exposed and sprayed at the top with high visibility marking paint. They are used as a method to back up the marking of a levee threat. While laths are primarily used to mark levee threats, these hubs can be used to go back and to identify levee threats if the lath has become lost or stolen. Also include in your Lath Kit multiple rolls of survey ribbon. Bright pink or orange are recommended. High visibility marking paint, fluorescent yellow or orange work great. It's a good idea to include a few barricades or safety cones as well. Also include in the Lath Kit 6-inch number 4 rebar with plastic end caps. Also within the Lath Kit, don't forget to include permanent ink markers, like a Sharpie permanent marker.